Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to change cancellation policy on Square appointments. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering here, how do you exactly change your cancellation policy on your appointments? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Square up here and just basically log in into your account. And once you've done that, you want to go to the left side here and you want to just access appointments. Now, if you don't see appointments here, you can just click on the more from Square, or at the very bottom here, you have all products. You can just look for appointments. But in this case, go and click appointments here. And in here, at the left side again, you want to look for your settings. Go ahead and expand that. And you want to look for payments and cancellation. Let's go and click on it. Now, from here, you should see the cancellation policy. Now, in order for you to change or update your cancellation policy here, you need to access this specific setting here, which is payments and cancellation. So just click on the edit button or link that you see here. And once you see that, you should be able to start updating. Like, for example, the cutoff time for cancellation, as well as the cancellation policy, which in this case, you could go ahead and just paste it in here or start typing in whatever way. But once you've done that, just click on save at the top right here to save your changes. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.